Welcome back everyone. In this chapter we're going to create a little twister game. So if I press the play button, then my buttons start to animate and I have to follow the money. So always press the button that has been, press the buttons in the order that they have been popping the money or have been animated. So now yellow has been animated, then blue, then purple, and then blue again. So yellow, blue, purple, blue. And the next round here begins. So we have a score, we have rounds, and then we have these buttons that start to animate when a timer runs. So we have in the background the timer, which we stop as soon as we have the amount of rounds plus 1 times animated. So meaning as soon as we have, let's say, round 4 and it has been animating 5 times, then we go ahead and stop the timer and we are going to leave the user enter the order or press the order of the buttons that he thinks that the buttons have been popping or have been animated. So let's create this. In this tutorial we're going to focus on how to make this layout really good, or in the sense of auto layout, so that we can use it on different device sizes. So I thought this would be a great start for a very simple way of learning the auto layout with buttons and big buttons that we have here, which should always be the same size no matter how we turn and twist the device and use it on use this app on different devices. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the setup in the next video.